Okay, so we're here in Marienplatz. We're gonna be walking directly towards those the clock tower right over there, and I'll just kind of give you a little bit of a 360 here. So we're basically at Marienplatz, so let me just kind of show you the name of it and the location as well. So right in the middle of the city, and Marienplatz. You can also see it right up here too, Marienplatz. So we're gonna kind of show you, and we're gonna walk directly that way. A lot of tourists here, tons of them. And that beautiful, beautiful church right there. So. Yeah, that is a really amazing church. Okay, so we're gonna be walking directly towards that. That's to the left. Then we're also just gonna take you on some Munich, Bavaria sweatshirts and such too. Huh, wouldn't mind getting a sweatshirt like that. Okay. A lot of detail there. Huh. I have been here a long time ago, so. But that was probably like 7 or 8, 9 years ago, maybe?
Yes.
Lots of tourists here. I'm hearing English everywhere, especially American English. Let's see, there's one of the clock towers, and that's the other one. Do a 360 here. Okay. Munich, Germany. So this is, I think this is kind of the heart of the tourism. So Marienplatz is the name of this area. I'll do a 360 in a second. Pretty cool. Okay, let's do a little 360 here, just so we can see where we are. Okay. Let's see which way to go. So remember to the right, there's all this kind of stuff. Tourist, cool tourist stuff. Right over that direction. Okay. So this is the location that we're at right here. And we're gonna walk over towards this food court area. A little taste of Munich, Germany for you. Wow, this looks so good. Wow. Okay. So we're gonna continue on into this little area here. So let me just kind of take a look. Huh. Pretty cool. Bratwurst, gyros, beer. Okay. Get some flower shops here too. So 360. Okay. Souvenirs.
And sauerkraut. When we go for lunch, and you like a burger?
Okay. Lots of places to eat around here. Okay. Got tour groups everywhere. So we're just kind of meandering now. I guess we're gonna come to an ending here. Okay.
Toma cuidado la voz